Hello, beautiful souls. So today is an exciting day. We're going to be going surfing today, and I've never surfed before in my life, so I'm really looking forward to this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, ever since moving to Florida about 3 years ago. So if you don't follow this channel, about 3 years ago, my husband and I ditched big city life and pursued a much slower life, slow living as they call it. And it's something that we felt God was calling us to do for that season. And we left big city life and moved to a small coastal community in Florida. And our life has really drastically changed. I actually sold my 7-figure business, so definitely slowed down quite a lot. And we had our 4th child recently. So life is very different. So this is a little sneak peek into what our life is like now living in Florida. So I hope you enjoy us falling off of surfboards. Well, hopefully we won't. Hopefully we'll do well. So I am in the surf shop and we're gonna be picking out some wetsuits because it is actually very cold this time of year. This is going to be my photographer extraordinaire. Say hi. Hi. Pop up! So the water is actually not that cold. It actually feels pretty good. It's very refreshing. I'm starting to think I really didn't need this wetsuit at all. got done with our day surfing. It's been awesome. First time surfing, never surfed before. But it's actually something that I enjoy. It's been pretty good.